What's up, guys? Tэнэг Mobile sent us the new Penipuan A3 smartphone. So we're gonna take a closer look at it, unbox it, and see what it has to offer. First thing you'll notice is the cool packaging. But enough of that. Let's open this baby up. Let's get it right. Let me get this. It's just this bit right here. Alright, check it out. Now that we have the box open, let's see what's inside. So, at first glance I notice there's no cords, but this plastic thing. Okay. We'll see what there's. It's like there's. Did someone? It's like whoever made it had a bloody nose, and maybe I don't know, maybe no, this is a red vine. This could just be a napkin they used to wipe up the red vine residue. Bullshit, I'm gonna set that aside. I say there's like a lot of rocks. Look at this. There's like rocks and dust and sand and twigs. This looks like chewed up celery. I don't know why that would be included. This is like a. This is the Phoenix mirror from Shenmue? This is what Juan D stole, I think? I think Ryo Hazuki was trying to get this back for a while. Still gotta play that third one, okay. Oh, right, and here's the phone itself. This is the Penipuan A3 smartphone. And, you know, it's got the weight of a phone. It's shaped like a phone. Yeah, it's, suppose you could receive calls on it, and probably some text messages. I'm gonna check the durability here. One sec. Now, okay. So, alright, well, okay, well, alright, it's not as strong as previously advertised, but I think maybe if I put this, I think that's what this is for. This is the, no. This is the, no, it can't go, no, can't go like that. Put the, this is, okay, this, no, you take the celery, and then you take the red vine, because it's not, this is like a fiber wire. It's like the fiber wire. Maybe, okay. Well, I think it, just wipe that off there. Wipe it off there. Again, I want to thank Tэнэг Mobile for sending us this. The phone that we've got here. Let me just get this out of the way, because, you know, let me tell you, the pandemic is one crazy thing. Let's see, you get these lined up here, it's crazy. Now, I think, if I remember right, this is how you actually get the phone, because this is kind of one of those, it's got like a spiritual sort of aspect to this phone. A lot of phones are technological and deal in electricity and sort of this sort of type thing. And I believe what you do with this phone is more kind of like a, you know, a Wiccan, witch doctor, voodoo type, you know, shamanistic sort of thing. So if I just align these 6 pointed stars here, and then I think these pieces of celery were for the summoning. We've got the Phoenix mirror, big one. I don't quite remember how that goes. Yeah, there you go. And a little shish boom ba. Where's your ma? You roll the dice, and it's so nice. Here we go. Okay, the